Ready to finally sculpt, define abs and boost your energy? Welcome to AAI Oriental Mix. I'm Jada Morad or غادة Morad, your certified diet and fitness coach. And here's Chef Chano, our certified cook with AAI bread, delicious and healthy, rich protein, Lebanese bread. We drop 2 videos every week, one of AAI fitness session and one is AAI bread recipe, so you have always fresh workouts and delicious food. Click the link in the description and grab our free exclusive 7-day challenge only available for our community for relief from constipation and bloating and to be more confident. Join hundreds across the JCC who have transformed with us. Smash the like button here, share, subscribe, and let's crush it. Hi guys, welcome back. Today routine with 12 exercise, 40 seconds on and 10 seconds off. Let's get started. The first exercise is the Scissor Drop. Lying on your back, cross legs like scissors as you lower them, keeping your lower back pressed into the mat.
I take you to the early morning, just when you're waking up, you feel like you're falling off of a cliff so high, then you hit the bed just right, staying up through these nights, it's alright, and every single time I call you, you know I got something for you, how could I ever ignore you, I WhatsApp like it's on you, and you know I'ma get there soon, you know I'ma get there soon, baby what's your mood, tell me what's your mood.
Second exercise is bicycle crunch. Alternate driving each elbow toward the opposite knee while pedaling your legs.
Cause you're drunk on me, yeah. Drunk on me, yeah. Drunk on me, yeah. Drunk on me, yeah. You make it so we can walk. You make it so we can talk. Cause you're drunk on me, yeah. Drunk on me, yeah. Ooh, wait up, am I wasting time? I gotta hurry up and ride. I cut through the traffic lights just to get a piece of pie. I wanna bump and grind and move with baseline. And if you say it's fine, it's tonight, it's moonlight, it'll be shining.
Exercise 3 is groaner. From plank, jump feet out wide, then back together, tapping each foot to hand level to hit the lower abs.
Cause you're drunk on me, yeah. Drunk on me, yeah. Drunk on me, yeah. Drunk on me, yeah. You make it so we can walk. You make it so we can talk. Cause you're drunk on me, yeah. Drunk on me, yeah.
Exercise 4 is corkscrew. Lie back, lift hips off the floor and twist legs side to side in a controlled reverse crunch motion.
See, they be moaning about the hard times, don't wanna do the work, but the work is where the hard times meet the good that goes berserk. And while you're stressing out and being all depressing, I'll be learning lessons, writing, working hard and fighting every chance I'm getting. I know when I'm doing it right, I know when I'm doing it wrong, I know when I'm doing it better than anyone else on the scene when they're calling me Don. I know how to do this thing on a rap, know how to do this thing on a song, know how to put in the work and win in the race.
Next exercise is cross-body mountain climber. In plank position, drive each knee toward the opposite elbow with core braced.
Yeah, the practice gets worth it when the practice makes perfect. To make perfect, you gotta earn it, you gotta sacrifice and be assertive. To be the greatest, stay humble, stay focused, don't stumble. And you best be ready to rumble, come with a lion's heart in the jungle. Take on the topic, take on the challenge, take on the money and jump on a plane. Checking the damage, collecting the baggage, you're hoping the taxi, jump on the stage. You best believe that I'm earning a wage, I'm making my talent jump off of the page. I'm proper kicking off like Adam from the streets of Rage. So it's no sleep, train hard, long nights, non-stop. The bottom of the iceberg is way hidden from the top. And it's blood, sweat, tears, hope, heart, stay strong. It's the same as when I'm putting all these lyrics to the song.
The sixth exercise is three-way V-up. Perform a V-up with both legs, then single leg V-ups alternating left and right.
I know when I'm doing it wrong. I know when I'm doing it better than anyone else on the scene when they're calling me Don. I know how to do this thing on a rap, know how to do this thing on a song. Know how to put in the work and win in the race, and here is where I belong. But I've been wasting words and wasted gas from time to time to pass the time. From rap to grind, can rain or shine, from 9 to 5, the wars are life. But now my time efficiency is messing with the industry. I'm literally in symmetry, and these men here, they caught the vibe. And visually in symphony, express myself implicitly and willfully get what I want, and I will show my soul's alive. And I will show my soul's alive.
Exercise 7 is twisting piston. Jump both feet laterally to one side while rotating your hips, then back to center. For low impact, do one leg center, another leg center. Now it's a side plank twist left. In left forearm plank, dip your left hip toward the floor and return. Exercise 9, it's a side plank twist right. Switch to right forearm plank and dip your elbow, hip down and back up. Exercise, it's a straight leg crunch. Lie flat, legs straight up, and curl your shoulders towards your toes. Now we have a plank elbow hip dips. In forearm plank, lower hip to each side in a twisting dip. Next exercise, and and it's the last one, is in and out crunch. Sit back, extend legs straight, then pull knees into your chest while leaning back and squeeze abs. And it's done. Well done, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care, my dears.